Hi, welcome to the CAD NEST. I am Kantharaj from NAGAR branch. Today I am going to teach you how to apply the custom animation in PowerPoint. So here in the PowerPoint we have one slides. So we are going to apply the custom animations for the slides. So in the PowerPoint we have the animation menu. We can have the add animation. Just click on the particular text. So go to the add animation. We have four types of effects: entrance, emphasis, exit and motion paths. So entrance, we have some minimum effects here. You can see the preview. And the same effects, if you need still more, go for more entrance effect. So in the more entrance effect, there are a lot of options to be applied. So let us go for the exciting effects. Example, boomerang, curve up, bounce, basics we will. So if I click on OK, the animation will be applied. If I click on cancels, it will never apply. So add animation, instead of entrance I can go for exit effects. So whatever the options are present in the entrance, the same options are present in the exit, but in the exit it is opposite to the effect. For example, here it is curve down, before it was curve up, now it is curve down. So opposite effect to the exit effects. So add animation. So we have the emphasis effects and motion paths. If I go for the motion paths, so particular motion it will be rotated. Maybe heart shape, triangle shape, or 8-star, 5-star, curve up, curve down, football, circle, these types. So you can add any of the animation to your text. Example, more animations. I will be adding some effects like curve up and skills required, add animations, more entrance effects. So not only entrance, you can give exit effect also. So after adding the animations, so click on the animation pane. You can get the 1, 2, 3. It's nothing but the first this text will be appeared, second this text will be appeared, and third this text will be appeared. So for the first text, it is on click, automatically it is not there, so it is on click. So for the second text, it is on click. I can select it as with the previous. It's nothing but if the first text appeared and the same timings and the second text will be appeared. So you can see the number 1 and 1. So these both will appear at a time. So if I click on with the previous, before previous, after finishing the before one. So if I click on click, as the order wise, first, second and third. So you can just play from. So this is how we're going to apply the custom animations in animations. So in the animation pane, you can see the previews and we can select before click, after previous and before previous. So thank you for watching.